Hi, today I will be making a simple clay mug. If you don't have a potter's wheel, you can use your hands. You can make a mug with your hands by sculpting clay from an art supply store, making sure it can be fired. Lay out the clay on a table and grab a spatula, knives and a damp sponge. My sister decided to make a mug with long nails. Spoiler, it's a bad idea, yeah. Shape the clay into a round form using your hands. Start with the base and gradually build the walls. You can use items to help shape it. Sculpt a handle and attach it securely to the mug. Allow your mug to air dry for a few days. If you want to add color, apply glaze to the surface and do the final firing. I don't know how to make glaze, so it's done for me by a professional in workshop. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. See you later. Goodbye.